I couldn't contain my excitement without sharing this video with you. I know for the fact that 80% of you are eagerly waiting for this. This is absolutely magical. Surprisingly, this video is going to be so simple, so quicker, so smoother, and it's definitely going to make a sense. See here, this topic is from estimation, from statistics, and here I'm going to discuss all the formulas related to this chapter. See here, the first one is a standard normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma is given as z is equal to, this is x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. So here x bar, the value to be known, and mu is the mean value and sigma is the standard deviation and is the sample size. And the next one is confidence intervals. So how to find this confidence intervals? So here the formula here is x bar minus z alpha by 2 sigma by root n comma x bar plus z alpha by 2 sigma by root n. Here x bar is the mean, sigma is the standard deviation, n is the sample size. And coming to this z alpha by 2, there are different values. See here, for the confidence limit, if confidence limit is 90, z alpha by 2 will be 1.645. And for z confidence limit 95%, z alpha by 2 is equal to 1.96. For 99%, z alpha by 2 is equal to 2.575. So this is how we have to select z alpha by 2. So mean and standard deviation, sample size, everything will be from the problem, and this will vary. Z alpha by 2 will vary depending upon the confidence limits. So this is the formula. Please have a note of it. And next one, z is the normal standard distribution, and the next one is sample size. If the sample size is asked, there are two formulae here. So z alpha by 2 into sigma by e whole square when standard deviation and maximum error are given and confidence limit. So we have to select z alpha by 2 from this depending upon the confidence limit, and n value will be, see here, z alpha by 2. See here, z alpha by 2 into sigma by e whole square is the n value. And if p and q are not given, sigma is not given, then what we have to do? Then n value, the sample size value n is equal to z alpha by 2 by e whole square into p into q. So here p value we have to take as half and q value we have to take as half. So this is most important, that if p and q are not given, we have to select p as half and q as half, and we have to use this formula. So this is when sigma and maximum error are given, the sample size is as follows. When sigma is not given, mean is not given, p is not given, q is not given, so we have to select this formula, p into q, half into half, 1 by 4. And next one is maximum error. And how to find this maximum error? See here, the maximum error E is nothing but, see here, z alpha by 2 into sigma by root n. Z alpha by 2 into sigma by root n. Z alpha by 2, again we have to select from the confidence limits. If p and q are given, then see here, the maximum error value is equal to z alpha by 2 into root over pq by n. So here p value is given, q value is given, and n is also given. So here we have to use this when p and q are given. When only standard deviation and sample size are given, we have to opt this formula. So there are two formulas for finding the maximum error. And next one, Bayesian estimator. So here, for finding the posterior mean, so if mu naught is given, so in order to find mu 1, so we have to use this one. When mu naught and sigma naught are given, so in order to find this is n times of x bar into sigma naught square plus mu naught into sigma square by n into sigma naught square plus sigma square. So this is also very easy and very simple. So here n into sigma naught square, here also n into sigma naught square, here sigma square, here sigma square. Here the mean x bar will be there, here mu naught will be there. So here if you remember, so this is also very easy. And the posterior standard deviation. So when sigma is given, and next one mu naught is given and sigma naught is given. So in order to find this sigma 1, so here is the formula, that root over sigma naught square into sigma square by n into sigma naught square plus a sigma square. So we have to separate these two by an addition, and there is n in front. So this is how we have to remember for finding the posterior standard deviation using Bayesian estimation. And next one, Bayesian interval for mu. So here when mu naught is asked, when mu naught and standard deviation are given, then we have to find the Bayesian interval as mu1 minus z alpha by 2 into sigma 1, comma mu1 plus z alpha by 2 into sigma 1. So these two are the intervals of Bayesian intervals. This is Bayesian posterior standard deviation to find, and posterior mean. Here is an error, maximum error when P and Q are given. When sigma is given, the maximum error we have to find like this. And this is the standard normal distribution formula, and here are the confidence intervals, and here z alpha by 2 values for 90%, 95% and 99%, and here is the sample size, n is equal to z alpha by 2 into sigma by e whole square. If p, q, sigma are not given, p we have to take half, q we have to take a half, and this is the formula for using for finding the sample size. So for sample size there are two formulae, for maximum error there are two formulae, and here are z alpha by 2 for all the confidence limits, and here is the confidence interval, and here is this normal standard distribution. And the next thing here is, so area under the standard normal curve. Without this the problem is not complete. So here, so this is the table here, have a note of this, and this is from 3 point so this is 00 to 3.9. so these are all the values, have a complete view of this. So using this table, so I'm going to select some area values, and this is how we have to solve all the problems using the formulae. So please take a pen, paper, put it down on a paper and just have a practice. Definitely you can solve this estimation topic very easily. So I'm uploading each and every video in the playlist. Go to the playlist for estimation topic, and definitely if you really like, please raise your thumb, pass it on to your friends, and subscribe and share it with as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help needed to this channel. Thank you so much for staying.